Hey everyone, welcome to Spartan V for all your hair system needs. So today I'm going to be reviewing a new hair system. So thank you to rehairsystems.com for sending the hair to me and for sponsoring the video today. And I have gone with something a bit different. So I'm going to be going for one that has a partial poly around the sides and back, and the rest is French lace. So here's what it comes in, this lovely looking box. So let's just open it up. I've taken the netting off just to save time, so you get your standard hair in the bag and you get your base that comes with it to secure the hair in transport. So just to show you now, I have gone for, again, dark brown. So this is actually quite good. I can't really see any red in it. If I get up close, yeah, that seems pretty good. Indian hair, nice and soft. So already it seems, you know, really nice and quite impressive. With this one, so as you can see there, got the poly around the sides and back, and then the French lace everywhere else. This one has bleached knots at the front, so to try and give it that realistic view. It is 120% density, so quite thick, but we'll see how we go with it, and I'll make sure I do a full exposure of the hairline for you so you can see. So yeah, let's see how this goes.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion.
So here it is, the finished article. I'm actually really impressed with this. It might look like really dense at the moment. So what I've done is I've put it on, I've cut it in, I've done the thinning scissors and everything else I can in the time frame. So I still haven't completely finished in regards to the cutting, but I just wanted to get it out there so you could see. So just to show you close up on the hairline, this is 120% density, so I'm actually impressed by that. It did have the bleach knots at the front, but because of how I like the hairline, it does trim them off. So I'm actually next week going to make a video showing you how you can bleach the knots in the hair, so that way it will look a lot more realistic at the front. So I'll do another video next week on that. But otherwise, in regards to this hair, colour, really good. Looks a bit red on camera, but it's not at all. And just to show you around the sides and back, I really like this, really like it. It's going to feel nice having a part lace because it's going to be a bit more breathable. But yeah, I'm really impressed with this. The only thing is a bit bulky, so yeah, I do need to thin it out. So again, next week there'll be another video on plucking the hairline, as well as bleaching knots to get that realistic sort of look on there. But otherwise, you know, I think it's looking really good and I'm really happy with it. So, as always, thanks for watching the channel and there's tons more content on the way. Thank you.